Welcome to today's maths class. Today our problem is sin x plus cos x is equal to root 2. So we have to solve the value of x. We have root 2 here. So we will divide first both the side of the equation with this root 2. So it will become 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x is equals to root 2 by root 2. Now one thing, 1 by root 2 is the value of sin pi by 4 as well as 1 by root 2 is the value of cos pi by 4. So we can write instead of 1 by root 2 cos pi by 4 sin x, and here we can write sin pi by 4 cos x is equal to, and here it will be 1 because root 2 by root 2 will cancel out and this will become 1. Now we have one equation, sin a plus b equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So here we will apply this equation, and if we consider x as a and pi by 4 as b, then this expression will become sin x plus pi by 4, which will be equal to 1, and you know 1 is the value of sin pi by 2. So a general solution for this equation will be x plus pi by 4 is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 2. So x value of the x will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into pi by 2 minus pi by 4, where n is an integer. So this is the solution of the equation for x.